Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just showing a video of a little black nail book that I purchased from a website. It's actually a school that sells them. I'll definitely post that link in the description below. But I just wanted to show you guys, like, pretty much, like, I'll do a voiceover of getting into it exactly. So this is the little black nail book. It's really cute and it's pretty thick. Definitely worth the money. I cannot remember how much I spent on it, but I'm pretty sure it wasn't over $30. You know what I mean? It definitely wasn't over that. So it just has so much in it. I can't wait to show you guys. Like, you can use it as a planner, you can use it to practice. It also came with, which was a big plus, and this is not a sponsored video or anything, I purchased this with my money. So it also came with like little accessories to practice with if you don't want to use what you already have. 2 brushes, like, definitely awesome. So this little orange paint, flakes, gold, rose gold, with gold, champagne, and silver, I would say the colors are. Can you see that? Sorry guys, hold on. Can you see it? The colors? Yeah, okay. And then we have some small stickers and stuff. Yeah, so another set of decals or decorations. You guys see that? Okay. The liner stuff. This stuff is a little difficult to use sometimes, but if you know how to do it right, it makes a design worthwhile. And then brushes. You can never have enough art brushes. That's what I feel like with nail art brushes. You can never have enough, because it's just sometimes one could be like clunky and dirty from the last time you use it. You just want to get in there and do another one. This is like, it's perfect to have a lot on hand. And I haven't tried these yet, so sorry. We'll see what the quality is like, but I have a lot of brushes. So this is your liner, and then you can use this as a cleanup brush. Really good to have. Perfect. So basically, the point of this nail book, it can be a different purpose for everybody, but the point for me is it basically is used as a planner. So sometimes I think of a great idea for art or whatever, for nails, but I'm not at the nail desk and I forget it if I don't write it down or something like that. So this will, carrying this on me wherever I am, if I'm at the hair salon, whatever, just drawing it out so that I can remember, because that sucks. Because in order, sometimes you have creative block, you know what I mean? Like, you just can't think of something and you just, wow. Guys, by the way, my lace unit was laid by Robin Dove Hair Studios. Did an amazing job. Just look at it. Look at that. It's Scalpiana. But anyway, so back to this book. You can use it as practicing. It has like progress if you want to start doing hand-drawn things. Don't forget adding designs to nails. Basic nails are awesome, banging, the bread and butter of any nail salon. But designs and stuff, or any home salon, designs and stuff really can up that charge. So it's a good thing to know. Just practicing. So basically, here's some examples. I actually, let me go to the voiceover. But anyway, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. Become part of the family, become part of my nail journey. I would love that. And let's get into it. Okay, so here, back to the book. I'm really going to get into detail of what's inside. So like I said, I think I didn't pay more than $40. I'll leave the link in the description. And here are the stuff. All the stuff I already showed you what came with it and everything. But here we go. Alright guys, so this book contains so much of everything. Like, it just has everything in it. It has practicing tools, practicing planners. So it says using your nail art planner. It is like the first page is showing you how to use your nail art planner. It gives you tips on bettering your nail art. The nail art supplies that you would need, they included some of the nail art supplies, but not all. So it's just like great things you can get to to use for your nail art. So the color theory, if you guys don't know, like for anybody who just gets into color, I love color. I went to hair school. So when we were in the color quarter or whatever, how important it was to know your colors, the color wheel, all that was so important. Nail art brushes. What do we have over here? We have the square nails, certain lines. You're just practicing from there. It looks like beginner stuff. And then you get into coffin or ballerina, whatever you want to call them. Sorry guys, I'm just showing you how much space and how much practice papers or practice sheets this book has. I will use it for practice. And also, when I start to get clients, I will use it for planning, you know? So it has every shape. The stiletto, long, short, medium, long coffin, short coffin, medium coffin. It has literally every shape. So you are going to be like practicing every day in this book. You're going to get good at all shapes. Sorry, my camera is like, I'm holding it by myself because I couldn't find my thingy. But it came with the brush. I already showed you guys that part. Okay, so back to the book. Now this page I didn't show you yet. So these are examples of how they actually use the lines on the side, on the right hand side, to plan out the nail art. So you see art, color, color, art, color. You see what I'm saying? Like, it's just planned out. And then crystal shapes and sizes, Swarovski crystals. That's important. Placement of those crystals are very important. It's just like, look at that African and then the Black Lives Matter hand. That's really cool. So yeah, it just has everything in there. Honestly, what I do wish this book had, I wish it came in color, but I know that's like very hard. But that would be so cool if it had color, you know? So the fire flames, love, flowers, the love letters. Let me see. We got some butterflies. So you're just going to constantly keep practicing. You see how the first nail is done, second nail a little faded, third and fourth nail faded. Then the last two, you're literally doing it yourself. Sorry, I'm moving too fast through this book. Okay, so color theory, this is what I wanted to get back to. The color wheel. What you can do is like literally take colors and use it. So by the way, the pages are not like paper thin. They have a nice gloss to it, so you can draw on it if you want to use colors, if you want to use gel color, whatever you want to use to cure it before you close the pages, you can draw on it. It just works. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Smash that like button, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. Hit me up on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, whatever. Don't forget to check out my Etsy shop for any press-on nails that you would like to purchase. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.